Welcome to our Executive Briefing Center. I am Enrique Bolivar, Communication Solution Marketing for Transportation Industry. Today, we are going to see how Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise Solutions can help transportation operators to increase operation efficiency. Let's see. For this demonstration, we are going to focus on remote maintenance assistance. In this case, a tunnel network element needs to be replaced. We're going to show how Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise Rainbow CPaaS solution integrated into the customer maintenance dispatch application allows close collaboration between the field technician and the expert to reduce the downtime operation, provide real-time collaboration between stakeholders, and ensure fast operation.
So I have the task to replace this networking equipment into the tunnel over there. I'm fully equipped with the camera of my smartphone and the application already running, and my hand-free kit, plus my one-button bracelet. I'm ready to go. Let's go.
During the maintenance task, the technician has an issue and he needs a support from the expert. He can trigger a video call from his bracelet by pressing the button twice to have the hands free to do the work. The video call is established between the expert and the field technician. The technician and the expert are in a video collaboration session exchanging information to fix the problem. The expert sees what the technician can see and provides support. The technician presses along to record the video for training purposes and enriching the expert database. The demonstration has reached the end. For more information, please contact your Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise sales representative or business partner and check our transportation website. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.